Engine failure during takeoff run. Throttle, idle. Brakes, as required. Flaps, cruise. Mixture, idle cutoff. Ignition switch, off. Gen/bat master switch, off. Engine failure after takeoff, insufficient engine power. Airspeed, 60 kis. Throttle, full. Mixture, full rich. Alternate air, open. Fuel shutoff valve, open. Ignition switch, both. Fuel pump, on. Shortly before landing. Mixture, idle cutoff. Fuel shutoff valve, closed. Ignition switch, off. Flaps, as required. Gen/bat master switch, off. Engine inoperative, perform emergency landing. Engine fire during engine startup on the ground if the engine fails to start. Ignition switch, continue cranking. Throttle, max power. Mixture, idle cutoff. Fuel shutoff valve, closed. Cabin heat, off. Fuel pump, off. Gen/bat master switch, off. Ignition switch, off. Airplane, evacuate. Fire, extinguish. Engine, inspect. Engine fire during flight. Fuel shutoff valve, closed. Cabin heat, closed. Airspeed, 73 kis. Fuel pump, off. Perform emergency landing with engine off. Cabin fire during flight. Gen/bat master switch, off. Cabin air, open. Cabin heat, closed. Fire extinguisher, discharge as required. Land as soon as possible. Engine failure during flight. Engine running roughly. Mixture, full rich. Alternate air, open. Fuel shutoff valve, open. Fuel pump, on. Ignition switch, cycle L, both, R, both. Throttle, at present position. No improvement, reduce throttle to minimum required power, land as soon as possible. Restarting the engine with propeller windmilling. Airspeed, 73 kis. Mixture, full rich. Fuel shutoff valve, open. Ignition switch, both. Fuel pump, on. Fuel prime, on. Throttle, 3/4 inch. 2 centimeters, forward. After successful restart. Oil pressure, check. Oil temperature, check. Fuel prime, off. Electrically powered equipment, on if required. Restarting the engine with propeller at full stop. Airspeed, 73 kis. Electrically powered equipment, off. Gen/bat master switch, on. Mixture, full rich. Fuel shutoff valve, open. Fuel pump, on. Fuel prime, on. Throttle, 3/4 inch. 2 centimeters, forward. Ignition switch, start. Ignition switch with push to start, optional, start, turn then push. After successful restart, continued. Oil pressure, check. Oil temperature, check. Fuel prime, off. Electrically powered equipment, on if required. Emergency landing. Emergency landing with engine off. Airspeed, flaps in T/O position, 60 kis. Airspeed, flaps in landing position, 55 kis. Airspeed, flaps cruise, 64 kis. Fuel shutoff valve, closed. Mixture, idle cutoff. Ignition switch, off. Safety belts, secured. Radio, transmit 121.5 MHz, giving location and intentions. Flaps, as required. Gen/bat master switch, off. After touchdown, apply brakes. Fire. Engine fire during engine startup on the ground if the engine starts. Throttle, 1800 RPM for a few minutes. Engine, shut down and inspect.